Transforming your bank is no longer optional, but compulsory. Why? Because we're going through a revolution. In 2014, DBS Bank in Singapore identified that banking was painful. Nobody woke up on a Monday morning saying, "Let's go banking." And they saw an opportunity to use technology to take the pain out of banking and to become a digitally driven organization. In my one-day workshop, World's Best Bank, I share with you from my exclusive 2 years research with the bank to publish my best-selling book, The World's Best Bank, the hard-won insights and best practices from their journey. Within the one day, you'll discover how to transform your technology so that you become digital to the core, so that you move from pipelines to platforms and build ecosystems through open APIs. You'll learn how to become truly customer obsessed. For years, banks have strived with customer service. What's different today? We use customer journey mapping and data combined to create customer science that allows us to do mass customization. You'll also learn how to transform your culture. No more front, middle, and back offices. We need to be working cross-functionally as we also move from cross-sell to cross-buy using contextual marketing, as we also ask our employees to experiment and take risk. It goes against our DNA to take risk. But as you evolve to becoming digitally driven, you introduce the tools for your employees, such as hackathons and design thinking, and we have to create a culture of psychological safety. The one-day course is packed with useful tips, tools, and a framework to guide you on your journey, and also shares best practices from other banks around the world that we work with.